SME Group. This is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Anyways, how funny is it how this whole thing works? We get a big drop overnight, then we get a big sell-off after the open, and it couldn't look worse. And then what does it do? It holds yesterday's low of the day at 1634 half. We've got a 1634.70 low. And you know what? I went right out on the Twitter and out on the IM and said, somebody's messing with us here and we're going back up, and that's exactly what we did. It's been a long, hard day and a long, hard week, and we're going to leave it at that. The high of the day in the S&P just came in just now at 1648.20. I mean, it's incredible. Late in the days on Fridays, the S&P always does a late rip. The low of the day came in at 1634.70 early in the day. At last, we're 1648 even, and we're only down 2 handles. Wow, it's a big time turnaround here, you guys. Total volume, 1.8 million minis trade, and 4,500 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 250 million to sell. Monday, the exchange is closed, as we all know, for the Memorial Day holiday. Tuesday, we have the Red Book, James Bullard speaking and William Dudley speaking. And then, you know what? MrTopStep wants to do a big shout out to our troops around the world and both in the U.S. We know that it's a hard job out there, and we know that they're protecting us from all sorts of unknowns. And then we also want to go out and say, have a great holiday to all our listeners and to all the people that are part of MrTopStep. You know, we couldn't do it without the followers. We couldn't do it without our IM guys and our chat room people. And you know what, at the end of the day, trading is about sharing. It's about trying to let other people not get run over and showing them things that we think work during the day. And that's all we do down here on the trading floor. Whether it be a big institutional fund, whether it be a little retail guy, we try to keep them out of trouble. That's our job. We're making another new high. And the funny thing is, I put this out on Twitter that we always have a late day rip, and one of the guys from SocGen, after he saw that it was only 250 million to sell, said, hey, you know what, you better watch out, we could rally after the close. And that's exactly what we're doing. In my heart of hearts, you know what, we've had a big run on the upside, and I just don't get the feeling that the markets are going to Columba that much. Maybe we get a little liquidity problem out of Japan, and that causes a little fracas. But at the end of the day, you know what? It's all about the money. You want to know where the S&P is going? Follow the money. We'll see you on Tuesday morning, and thanks.